Hi folks, my name is Michael Lush. I am the president and CEO and founder of Replace Your Mortgage. Now, before we get into exactly why you're here, let me explain about who we are, what we do, and why we do it. So we are a consulting education company, and what we do is we teach folks to finance real estate differently than what you've been taught to do. See, up until this video, you've been taught to finance real estate utilizing a mortgage, whether it be a 15, 10-year, a lot of folks get a 30-year mortgage. However, what we tell folks to do is to get a first lien position home equity line of credit because we feel that it's the most efficient way to finance real estate for the right folks. Now, why do we do that? Because we want to see folks become debt-free or at least manage debt and see their ultimate financial dreams. So the reason why you've received this link is a friend of yours has gone through our program and has found tremendous success with it. And they want that success to also be realized by you guys. So you've been shared this link by a friend, an associate, or so on. So these clients have become affiliates of Replace Your Mortgage, and they care enough about you that they want to share this message with you. So what is the purpose of this page? This page is going to give you a sneak peek of what it's like to have a full consultation with Replace Your Mortgage. So you're going to get an idea of what a discovery call looks like. So a lot of folks will sign up for a discovery call with one of our consultants. So instead of having to go through that process, you are going to be able to watch it virtually. Matt and Edmund are going to answer lots of tough questions and kind of give you an idea if this makes the most sense for you, because it doesn't make sense for everyone. But for that fraction of Americans that this does make sense for from a financial perspective, because you do have to be cash flow positive, you do have to have a 680 credit score or higher, and you also have to have 20 plus equity in your home, 20+% equity in your home. So let's say the value of your home is $100,000. We ask that you have a balance no higher than $80,000. So that would be 20% equity. And the reason being is we want to see you succeed. So we understand that after this education, you're going to go get your loan tool from a bank, a home equity line of credit in first lien position. And we want you to have the highest level of success. So those are the parameters that we ask that you have prior to joining our program. Now, again, Matt and Edmund are going to walk you through what it looks like to have an hour-long discovery call with us. They're also going to answer lots of frequently asked questions. However, if there are some questions that you still have that we didn't answer and we didn't do a good enough job answering it, reach back out to the affiliate. So this is an affiliate program. So the person that shared it with you is already a platinum member of Replace Your Mortgage and has gone through our program. And again, they cared enough about you that they shared this with you. So if you have some additional questions, please reach back out to the person that shared this link with you and ask any questions that maybe we didn't do a good enough job answering. I hope to see you on the other end. We take this very seriously. We take this program very seriously, and we want to see you successful. So take care. God bless.